Hello and welcome, lovely people, and welcome to yoga with me. I'm Lena, and today we're going to do a gentle and calming practice for when anxiety shows up. In a busy world, it's completely natural to feel anxious and nervous, even a little bit down. But yoga is a powerful tool. You can do this in the comfort of your own home. Even a short practice can make a big difference. So grab your pillow, roll out your mat, and let's get started. So if you've got a pillow handy, you can bring it and sit on it to get comfortable. And let's close our eyes. Maybe bring one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. So when you breathe deeply, it can really help to calm the mind and the body down, especially when you're feeling anxious. So just allow each breath to become deeper. Allow it to just flow all the way down to your belly, breathing in deeply and breathing out, and just breathing in and out from your nose. And then relaxing your hands either on your lap or your knees. We're going to just do a couple of breaths of box breathing. You can do this anytime you wish. You can do 1 set, 2 set, however many sets you wish. What you'll be doing is breathing in for a count of 4, holding for a count of 6, and breathing out for a count of 8. I'll count you in, so just close your eyes and we'll get started. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then gently open your eyes. So now we're just going to come forward while we're in cross-legged. So just breathing in and stretching up. And as you breathe out, you're just coming down as far as you can. You might be able to come all the way down or just as far as you can. Just letting your head hang, just taking a deep breath in here. And then as you breathe out, you're coming up slowly. And now we're going to do a twist on this side. So breathing in, stretching up, push your tailbone down. Place one hand on the knee, so opposite hand to the knee, and the other hand behind you. And then just breathing in. And as you breathe out, you're just stretching, just looking over your shoulder. Take a deep breath in here and breathe out, and then come to the center. Let's swap legs. So bringing the other leg in front. I'm going to breathe in. We're going to come forward. Remember, we did that on the other side. Breathe in, stretch up, push your tailbone down. And you're just coming forward as far as you can. You might even just be here. That's fine. You might be able to come down a bit more. Just taking a deep breath in here. And then coming up slowly. And then we're going to do a twist. So breathing in, stretching up, pushing your tailbone down. Taking the hand on the opposite knee. The other hand behind you. Breathing in again. Stretching up, pushing your tailbone down. And then as you breathe out, just doing a twist and looking over your shoulder. Just take a deep breath in here. And breathe out and come to the center. Now taking your pillow and just putting it over to one side. Taking your legs as wide as you can. And you're going to breathe in and stretch up. And as you breathe out, again, just coming forward. Just letting your head hang. Taking a deep breath in here. And as you breathe out, just coming back. Now we're going to do a twist again. So breathing in. And as you breathe out, you're just coming down. Just let your head hang. Breathing in, coming up, stretching up, and as you breathe out, coming over to the other side, just going as far as you can, feeling a beautiful stretch on the opposite side that you're moving. And then breathing in and coming to the center. We're going to come laying down on the mat. Your pillow, the top, and just coming down, bringing your feet on top of the mat flat, and then just opening up your legs. You might want to place your palms on your belly or at the side, and then just taking a breath here, breathing in and breathing out. Just allow each breath to become deeper. Allow it to just flow all the way to your belly. Just feeling your whole body relaxing. It's opening up your legs. Just feeling a gentle stretch here. And then bringing your knees to the center, feet flat on the floor. And you might want to bring your knees into your chest, just giving yourself a nice hug. You might want to roll from side to side. Remember to focus on your breath, taking deep breath in and deep breath out. You might want to even flex your feet, point your feet, flex and point, rotate them one way and then the other way. And then placing your feet flat on the ground, bringing your foot to your knee, just bringing your hands beneath the thigh or on your shin. Just closing your eyes here, feeling a stretch on the back of your hip. Feeling a nice stretch here. Just taking a couple of deep breaths here. And then placing the foot down, taking the foot that's on the knee, placing that foot on the ground, and bringing the other foot onto opposite knee, placing your hands either on the thigh, behind the thigh, or on the shin, and just taking a few deep breaths here. Remember to breathe. Breathing allows your whole body to be nourished. Your organs, your eyes, your brain, your ears, your eyes, everything becomes nourished. And it can really help when you're feeling stressed, anxious, nervous. Deep breathing is amazing for just relaxing the mind and the body. And then placing the foot on the mat, the other foot on the mat. Just taking your arms out. Let's just windshield wipe the legs. Gently, maybe you want to move your head in the opposite direction to the legs. A few more here. It's really nice to do when first thing in the morning when you wake up, or even when you go to bed, just helping to open up all the muscles, helping the body to relax. One more time. And then just taking your legs in front, arms beside you, and just taking a few deep breaths here. Now you can stay here for a few more moments, allowing your mind and body to relax. Hope you enjoyed this practice. If you felt that you enjoyed this practice, do share it with someone else who would also benefit. And I look forward to practicing with you again. And until next time, namaste.